Hey guys, what's up? If you don't know me, I'm a photographer here in the Washington DC area. Today we're gonna review the EOS RP. Let's get right into it. So first of all, I would like to talk about the design of the RP. It's similar to the R, but a little bit of differences. It's a little smaller. R is a little bit bigger. It takes a different battery than the R. It doesn't have the viewfinder up here, and it's missing the touch bar. It feels nice. It feels good, really good build quality. You know how Canon cameras are. So now we're gonna talk about the photography features of this camera. This has the same sensor as the 6D Mark II, and it is a great camera overall, great for photography. Here are some test shots that we took today around, just walking around here in Georgetown, and it is just amazing. And I can't believe people were criticizing this camera, but it is just great for photography. And with the Canon update, it has a good eye tracking, and it just gets my shot like on the first try. So now we're gonna talk about the video side. This camera, at first when it came out, it didn't do 24 frames, and people just got crazy and they were just like, how are we gonna make cinematic video if we can't do 24 frames? But now in a future update, Canon added that, and now it is just great camera. And overall, I think this is the camera I would recommend to anybody that is starting to get into photography and looking to upgrade their game by buying a full frame camera. I would recommend this camera to anybody that's willing to, you know, pay over like a little bit over $1,000, you know, $999 plus tax, you know, a little bit over that. And you can adapt your EF lenses to this. There's an adapter you can buy. You can buy the ND filter adapter with a control ring, and a normal adapter without the control ring, which comes at like $99, and the control ring adapter comes at $200, and the ND filter adapter comes at $399. It is a great feature to have if you can adapt your lenses. It is just really convenient to just adapt your old lenses. I am using, right now I'm currently filming on the EOS R, and I'm adapting my EF 24 to 70 2.8 lens on the EOS R, and the autofocus works great because they're both Canon lenses. So don't worry about adapting old lenses, and if you're upgrading to a mirrorless body, and don't worry about losing your old lenses, because these new RF lenses are really sharp. But if you can't afford to change your whole line to RF, I would just, you know, adapt your old lenses, and they work great. Overall, I really like the features on this camera. It's really good if you're starting out and you want to expand to full frame, and this is a really good option. I actually recommended one of my friends to get this camera when he was looking to upgrade from his 70D. I was suggesting him to buy this camera, and he bought it and he really likes it. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys later.